financially medyo taas-taas na magiging itong mga expenses, di ba? So, how are
Pag
we?
expenses? So,
Finances.
okay.
How do we deal with ano magud sa atong current finances karon nga?
Okay. How do we deal? Sige, good.
Medyo-
So, budgeting ko. Budgeting with a bit of um, splurging for the necessary things.
Yes, ana gyud dapat nagay ka ng mga
Yeah.
splurges gyud nato no kay.
Or mga kanang, grabe yung work niya, wala ka mga moments of,
Yes,
Nag-improvise
ganda
siya.
na siya. Yes, splurges ang good kay maingon nato nga
how do you define splurges? When do you classify something as a splurge and something, okay, it's not a splurge, it's a necessity, even if it costs something or significant?
sa ato ang definition of necessities magid, di ba kay medyo ano magid siya kanang para kita mabuhi gid nga mga expenses. Pero in today's generation or today's kanang current situation magud, there are expenses na nga dili ta makaingon nga para sa mabuhi gid ta, pero because of that expenses we gave a meaning to mabuhi ta. Do you get what I mean?
Yes,
Yes.
mara siya og katong correlated siya sa ato ang gi-discuss ba nga health is wealth is ka-equate ra gyapon sa meaning sa wealth is health. Kay murag ang definition sa mabuhi lagi kay it's not just kanang
It's not just living kanang
oh,
existing. It's
dili
not
ang
just
term is
existing.
it's not just surviving.
It's not just work.
Oh, ay nga na ba,
Right.
murag dili lang ta naa diri para ma-survive but to live, actually live.
Kana gyud to live.
Ana ba?
Okay. Moingon sa ubad nga let's say medyo ano na kay mga expenses kanang taas na kayo kay na kay mga panggala-gala, but actually kanang mga panggala-gala nga mga expenses that defines ano man good kanang mura siya og ano nato matawagan na kanang to express ourselves nga experience life.
Oh,
Good
ana.
bitaw, di ba?
You know what? This is a good topic. Kay, as financial advisors, Manggod, our posts are usually about budgeting, living within your means. Usahay mo rag, quote-unquote, accused pa ta of being pakialamera. Ano ka pakialam mo sa mong budget
Tama.
and all that? So, because now we are in this very beautiful place and after an entire day of, working, presenting, and trying to connect with corporate corporate groups and private companies. So we're taking in this beautiful moment just when the sun is about to set, and you really cannot put a price to this.
Tama.
When you find a place na beautiful and peaceful and you're close to nature and art, that's very priceless. And with good people, with friends, very priceless.
True.
Tao siya to gingon ni Ma'am Amy nga kuan ba nga we get accused gani sometimes of being the pakialamero, being the financial advisor kay
Inabot mo sa mong kwarta.
oh kay
Yes.
that's why kuan pod ba kaning usahay pod ga disclaimer pod ko nga kana
Yeah, actually, I read that sa imong
oh
post.
nga we kanang
We do
it's
not,
okay we really do not kanang limit you nga maglingaw-lingaw. Ang amo lang is you set aside for your future pod kay we want you to experience the present kay mo gid pod na ang ako ang
Ganun yun.
life mantra ba nga it's kanang be present is always a struggle gid sa kadaghanan. So ang ako ang kwan is kanang you can experience the present while being cautious pod about the future.
Yeah.
So
Yes, kana yun siya,
love pod
brother.
siya always nga nadia
That is the goal. I-balance na gid ang ato ang kuan.
hapon. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So our food is here. So again, this is another,
Oh, isa sa mga
the nourishment.
oh, you may not call it as a necessity tungod
But
kay
good food is like good life.
exactly, no?
But back to our topic, guys. Kanang namagayuban kanang maingon gyud nato nga medyo nasobrahan na pud ang ato ang paglingaw-lingaw, di ba?
Right.
Na up to the point nga naay ka ng mga kailan na to ba? Or kailan, actually, kailan na to.
Kita mismo.
Oh,
Yeah,
lagi.
even kita.
Ourselves.
Nga, makautang na lang ta kay kuan. Kanang manglaag lagi ba? So,
Guilty as charged.
medyo ka na siya nga part. Mo gini matawag na to nga excessive na siya.
What do you
Dili
say?
na siya kuan.
Do you agree?
Oh, kay syempre nagay usahay personally no, makaingon pud sa imong kaugalingon nga you're a financial advisor yourself on ya. Sometimes napakay mga traits nga dili nimo makuan nga dili in line with what you are trying to preach, di ba?
Yes.
Sa uban, sometimes you're guilty pod ana mga things nga kuan, pero sometimes it's kuan man pod, it's a learning progress nga i-unlearn pod na nimo ang kumbaga toxic traits when it comes to your financial management ba nga maraog like me kanang sometimes kuan pod sa ako usahay like kamulo man karon ang paano say for example NBA games mo may makahatag lingaw sa ako, that's how I
Yes,
experience
yes.
life, no? So I
Sorry
involve
for being
myself
judgerous
if
sometimes.
kuan kanang maingon si Ma'am Ims di jud na siya makapilog meeting usahay because gina-focus niya ang kuan
Kaya na ko
kanang
sige, padayon. Kaya na ko comment
viewing about the kuan live games on niya kay involved man gud siya and engaged because he bets on these games nga makatag siya og adrenaline rush.
Nalagay na siya yung personalan.
We're kuan sakto siya nga kuan for us nga we don't kanang tolerate gambling. Pero marag kuan lang sa ako is ang the good thing about it is kanang
You're in control.
yes, marag kuan siya ba.
But we are in control yun.
Dili na siya maabot sa uncontrolled gambling nga marag mangita na lang gid kag means to sell your stuff para maka
That's really,
kuan gyud ko
don't go there.
ibang level na siya. Pero kani siya sa
No,
kuha is just for the excitement. And of course, engage man gid pod ko in playing and I think I have enough knowledge para makakuha og correct picks pero lagi sa most recent po nato ang ako ang kuan most recent kapangitabo wa jud ko kadaog Ginoo natabla ra
Because
siya.
that's gambling.
Yes, that's gambling,
That's
no?
gambling.
You-
Can you calculate the risk in gambling?
Mm,
You can just know the odds.
yes, the
But
odds.
you really
yeah.
cannot eh.
But sometimes the odds are not in your favor,
Favor.
gyud.
May
So
the
mo na
odds
itabo
ever be in
nako.
our favor.
Natabla ra siya.
Inganya akong
Shout out
philosophy,
Denver.
ana. Kani magud na mga things, like example kani, going to a beautiful place. Agi jud ko ani nga na addict or na dependent jud ko ani. Like in a week, I cannot function if I don't go to a, so it's kind of expensive, costly. Tapos because dependent man ka, nakikuan na okay, maningkamot ko para makaingani ko or kung dili na ko ni siya mabuhat, okay, murag kuan ko, down akong energy. So niabot ako sa level nga, I can enjoy the things but I'm not dependent on them.
Ooh.
Whether they're there or not, whether the beauty is there or not, I can create my own wherever I am. So niabot na ko ana nga point sa akong life and I'm so thankful for that.
Chada.
Because mugupa man gyud siya sa expenses. If
Yes,
you're
that is
gonna be
true.
dependent like cafe hopping tanan ka, ano nakabalo ko ani Brave. Because ako yung attitude before, tanan nga bago nga cafe atuan ginana mo.
Okay.
Oh, so cafe person jud ko. Even in fact, confession sa college. Okay, sorry teachers, but I would cut classes
Hala ka.
to go to a new cafe because I'm really, dili na siya pang char lang kay uso ang Starbucks, no. Way back wala kay Starbucks. Cafe person na yun. Not really more on the coffee, but more on the chill, the
vibes.
lazing on the couch and then reading a book and just the pause.
Yeah.
Kaya diba, kuan kita, grabe kita ka-frenzied, magod. Imagine in our work, kanang grabe, even if you're just writing, it's still actively on. You don't shut down your brain. So, I'm very thankful na karon I can relish the moments nga just far and few between because I'm still building my wealth. Wala ko makuniabot sa millionaire status nga I can afford not to work anymore. So napuman ko sa idea ay sa stage of building my wealth. So I really cannot allow myself na mo splurge good a lot or too often sa unsay necessary. So nailhan naman ako akong self. Okay, I can do this. But I know whether nani or wala, I'm still happy. I have that inner peace or whatever.
Okay, speaking of building of wealth, ba, what can you advise sa to mga viewers karon nga unsa ilahang best, let's say we all have different ways magud to build wealth, di ba? So as you know, as a financial advisor, unsa inyo hang kuan kanang let's say own way or pathway para maka-build og wealth? Okay, we have different fields nga ano na to,
Ako,
background, di ba?
ma-relate yun ako siya, Brave, sa atong presentation.
Yes.
The ability to work. So ang ano pong personal yun na approach to things is I will have to do my job really well in whatever field. So ano ginako na nga, okay, I'm gonna be good at writing, I'm gonna be good at speaking, I'm gonna be good at selling, trying to be good, trying to be better. Kay all those things in combination will build my wealth. Kay pwede man good na, okay, di ba, nobody's dispensable sa workplace.
Yes.
Pwede ka, magsakit ka, pulihan ka. So I really have to make myself nga, okay, even if mawala ni siya nga work or what, I can still do it. So nahitabo gina sa ko So K to 12, wala akong teaching load, wala akong nag-suffer because na ko'y writing job.
Okay.
In fact, mas dako pa ang kita.
Oh.
And then when I got bored with the writing job, kay murag feel na ko, wala na ko'y growth dito, kay nakuha na nako tanan, like, kaya na nako siya. So, ano man ako, di ba, growth mindset.
Yes.
Di pa man kay ko ka, sa rejection is a big deal pa sa ko. So, I had to expose myself to things na pwede ko ma-reject. So, sales is one of them. So, nanako karon sa kuha nga because plaster na ko, kay I know my skills, I know nga whatever happens, the best asset is myself and my skills. So, I just have, munang gamas, ga-invest ko sa learning, o bettering myself because I know, pwede rin na siya mo-build of wealth. Like, wala ko isa ko one path to it. But then again, kato dayon. Katong same sa atong gina-present savings, kung na naka-extra, you invest and then that will grow your wealth over time.
True, totally agree with ko na, Ma'am Ames. Okay, currently, Manggod is, I'm in a transition from a 9 to 5 nga work. And medyo lisod yun siya, to be honest, kay
I agree.
the compensation nga po ang gakadawat karon is not the same as I used to. And kana nga time pa is ang expenses na po, I mean the habit or the lifestyle nga ako ang naagian,
Done.
naandan ato nga time is medyo taas-taas yun siya. So the transition is medyo baba gid ako ang income.
Ka-relate ko, anak, Bray.
Pero-
Ka-relate ko.
Pero I see myself, Manggod, nga growing because of this my current job as a financial advisor. Nakita na ko nga, uy, may character, may knowledge,
Discipline.
may discipline, is
Confidence.
growing siya ba? Meaning the potential to earn, Manggod, when it comes to in sales is depending yun sa imuhang kuan, sa imuhang ability to work, imuhang
Willingness to grow
kakugi, willingness to grow,
and
ana.
expand.
And dili na ko siya makita during atong previous work nako kay medyo repetitive siya nga situation.
Agree.
Ana.
Same with him. Kay
Yes.
gikan man siya sa PP.
Yes, akong take
Call
ana
center.
kay it's actually a good kanang thing nga you brought it up ba kay for me personally murag na ko own definition of my success ba, but in terms of wealth building murag kuan siya kanang sa ako is not just na lang kaning kay akong setting gikan man pud ko sama sa inyong gingon no, gikan ko og BPO and then
Actually, same
compensation wise ang BPO consistent and dako gid siya no,
Yes.
but
Yeah, the
what comes with
consistency
it
yun.
no kana na
What
lang
are the compromises?
what are the compromises? Una, ako jud physically conscious gid ko, no? Ka sa akong health, not just bisag sa akong mental health kay kon isa pa na siya sa mga na-compromise. I can say nga na-compromise when I was
because when you
working.
lack sleep.
Yeah, kay na ano pa aside from having kuan na deprive me of proper nga hours of
Yes.
kuan gyud rest bitaw kay na siya impact sa imong kuan gyud imong
Health.
dili sa imong health sa imong
Well-being.
opportunity to socialize kay
Right. Imo na naman siyang bawion.
kay
Yes, maka.
anang buntag mo ba nang normal gid nga tingkon sa mga tao di ba o nagabi mo ga trabaho so buntag tulog mo
Tulog
and then
ka.
knowing me as a person
Yeah.
gusto
you are
gid biya ako
extrovert.
gusto gid biya ako mo socialize sa mga tao kay di lang man na siya for kanang ano lang kay mulay mong lingaw it actually impacts my mental health and physical health na lang
Yes,
po
that is
ako
true.
pod active kay ko sa sports o niya
Thank you, Kuya.
ingana siya active ka on sports o niya imo ang schedule kay dili favorable on kuan pabor sa mga kasabay nimo say for example ingana
Yes,
So,
yes.
man na siya no and then one thing pod nga kaning gakakuan ako karon no kay it's really the job description nga gakakuan na misconception ng mga tao sa ato ang trabaho
About this.
kay abi lang nila ba nga
You're just
it's
selling.
dili kanang it's only kanang something
Do with them.
they wouldn't do daw because dili siya consistent when it comes to our kuan lagi daw ato ang schedule of kanang payout kay commission based data
Yes,
diba
commission-based, oo.
commission based ta but sa ako ang gakuan natimbang nako siya kumbaga ba nga what comes with it dili siya compromise benefit na akong ginastoryahan karon when it comes
What
to
are
the
the
job
opportunities?
yes kay ngano ingani siya time with my family gyud time with my family, and then this is time flexible man.
Right.
And
right.
then,
I agree with that.
ano na, availability wise,
So time as well. You're talking about
yes,
time
exactly.
as well.
Muna na siya
Yes.
akong
And
marag
time is one of the biggest wealth forms, like health. Diba? Because time, you can take it back. You can earn more money, you can take back time.
Exactly. Muna na akong kuan, gusto ko rin is marag kuan siya ba? My
So
definition
what
of
brought about that realization? Is there a specific like life event,
marag na differentiate na ko ang
or is it because you saw your mom and your dad growing old and you realized, okay,
isa
I
pod
can
na, no?
spend
Pero
more time with them?
usahay pod kay sa ato ba, we tend to overlook and be anxious good
The
about
sunset is so beautiful, guys, here in LC. Let me just say.
ma-overlook na nato ato ang present nga kuan ba, mga experiences just because we're too anxious about the future. Yeah.
Right.
That is true.
Busy kita sa tong wealth building, where in fact we should be enjoying what we've built right now, and then everything follows naman gud dayon. For me ha, if I enjoy this for example kani, I've been first time pa na ako nakaabot nini, but I
Same,
can
same.
share this experience sa uban.
Happy to share this with you guys.
Exactly, unya mo manifest ba na sa imong kalipay sa imong ginabuhat, di ba? And then mosalig sila nimo, and then they become kanang marag matakdan sila sa imong positivity nga ay sada gid lagi ka, and then ano din siya, makakontribute siya sa imong closings, ma-close ni imong
Right.
mga
So
clients.
it's all connected.
Yes, exactly. So
Ano,
muna siya
so
for
our
me.
food is here, but before we end this first part of our talk, so let me just kanang na ako'y madumduman na novel. I don't know if you've read Paulo Coelho's The Alchemist. I suggest you
Yes,
you
yes.
guys read it. Have you read it?
Yes, yes.
Santiago and the Search for the Treasure.
Pwede na lang.
So ano siya, unay part dito nga, the secret do kuno of living a good life or kanang meaning you've lived a fulfilling life is, let's say you take a look at the artworks around you. So too much appreciation will disconnect you from the real world. Imagine nga you have a spoon. Okay, spoon, and there's an oil sa spoon. So the secret na kuno is how to balance that you see all the beauty around you, but you do not forget the oil in the spoon. You don't spill it. So you have to be very careful.
Oh, okay.
Right? So that's always the pursuit, to see the beauty, but also at the same time to be responsible for what you have in your hand.
Dili ma-detach the reality.
Yeah. And to be responsible for the role, because the goal is not to spill the oil. And it's just a very small, like the spoon is dili ba siya para sa glass na po, di ba? Ana ra. Very shallow lang. So how to move around and see all the beauty but not forgetting the oil on the spoon.
That's nice.
So if you've ever
That's
read The
nice.
Alchemist, you can read it. It's a very easy read. Murag siya fable. Okay?
Okay guys, so
So
thank you for listening. This is
we still don't have a name for our question.
so Pohon, basing nanay pangalan.
Yeah. Okay. See you
Suggestion of
around.
gutom
Bye-bye.
naman good. Bye.
I have our food so yummy.